Hey, third grade. Today you guys are going to be starting a new project. And so I'm just going to be reviewing and going over area and how to find area of composite figures. I know that this is something that we've done a lot, but extra practice doesn't ever hurt us. So I'm going to go over a couple of these questions, and then you guys are going to have the chance to work on your project. All right. Oops. All right, the diagram represents the floor of a storage shed. The floor is composed of two rectangles. What is the area of the floor in square feet? All right, we have two rectangles. So I'm going to go ahead and divide my shape right there. All right, so now, who remembers what the formula is to find area? Area equals what? Good. Area equals length times width. So I'm going to find the length and the width of this one. Let's do the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the width. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So area equals 12 times 4. Let's find the length of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So area equals 5 times 6. Okay, so to find the area, well, now we know what we're multiplying for each of these rectangles. And what do I need to do next? That I need to solve for these problems. So area equals, well, 12 times 4, I'm going to do 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. I know that 12 plus 12 is 24. So then that means here, that is also 24. 24 plus 24, in my head, I know that that is 48. 48 square feet. And then area equals 5 times 6. What is 5 times 6? Good, equals 30 square feet. Awesome. Okay, so now that I know that I have an area of 48 and an area of 30 square feet, what am I going to do with those two amounts? Because I want to find the area of the whole figure. Good, we are going to add those together. 48 plus 30. Which equals 40 plus 8, 30 plus 0. 0 plus 8 equals what? 8. Awesome. And 40 plus 30 is 70. 78. So the area, 78 square feet. All right, let's do one more. Let's look at this one. Walter built a treehouse as shown. What is the total area of the treehouse in square feet? So here I have the two shapes, and they already have this one divided for you. Now, looking at this one, this is not the only way that you could have divided it. If you wanted to, you could have gone like that. Okay, you would have gotten the same area. You would have just gotten a different area for this figure and a different area for that figure. Okay, this one they already have divided for you. So let's just figure out the length and the width here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Area equals 6 times 4. Excuse me. Let's find the length of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's 6. And then we're going to find the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So area equals 6 times 12. Who knows what 6 times 4 is? Good, 24. 24 square feet. Okay? And then I'm going to multiply 6 times 12. 6 times 12 equals, I'm going to do 6 times 10, because I have a 1 in my tens place, plus 6 times 2. because I have a 2 in my, sorry, I have a 1 in my tens place, so that's 6 times 10. And then I have 6 times 2 because I have a 2 in my ones place. 6 times 10 is 60. Awesome. 6 times 2 is 12, which equals 60 plus 12 equals, who can do that in their head? 72 square feet. Awesome. So now I know that this area equals 72 square feet. What am I going to do with this area and this area? Because I want to find the area of the whole figure. Good, we're going to add them up. 72 plus 24, 70 plus 2, 20 plus 4. I decomposed my number into my tens and my ones, and now I can add up. 2 plus 4 is 6. Awesome. 70 plus 20, 90. Beautiful job. 90 plus 6 equals 96. So the total area of this whole figure is 96 square feet. All right, so in today's lesson are these slides. You're watching this video now, and then you have a couple other videos to go watch. I want you to watch this one first, and then watch this one second. All right, that second video is going to walk you through the requirements of your next project. Now, this project is intended to take you guys some time, okay? It is not going to go by very fast. We're going to be working on this project for quite a while. Your requirements. So the whole purpose of this is you're going to create a house within the rectangle grid and place furniture within it. Then you will answer questions related to your design and area. Requirements. You must have at least one of the following in your house. So you have to have at least one. Now, a bedroom. Can you have more than one bedroom? You sure can. A kitchen, a bathroom, living room. Can you have more than one of those in your house? Absolutely. Okay? You have to have this minimum number of furniture. A couch, a large bed, 2 tables, any size, a chair, 1 table and chairs. So 2 tables, a chair, 1 table and chairs. Those are all separate. 1 desk, a kitchen and a bathroom furniture. All right? The video goes into a lot more detail about your instructions. Can you have more rooms and more furniture? You sure can. But you have to have the minimum. This is your house grid. Okay? These are some questions that you're going to answer when you've created your house. Here's a critical thinking. Here's a bonus. You're going to find the perimeter area of all of these things. So this is an example of what your house could look like. Okay? An example. You're not copying this. Okay? It's really, really important that you guys are doing all of this. It is an expectation that this is getting done. Do a little bit every single day because we're going to be working on this for the next 8 days.